Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because the holiday season is here. I love this time of year for crafting and for gift giving. Today I'm teaming up with Htvront. They have their machine Black Friday deals going on. I picked a few of my favorites to put together a little gift guide for you guys. This is great if you have been personally looking for these machines or if you want to gift these to family members or friends. I'll have all the discount codes and links in my description box, and let's get into the video. First up is the Htvront Auto Heat Press 2 machine. If you've seen my past videos, you already know how much I love how easy it makes pressing t-shirts, sweatshirts, totes. I use it for sublimation also. One of my favorite features is you can adjust the pressure on the machine. This ranges from 50 to 170 pounds. It depends on the material. Sometimes you need less or more pressure, so that's amazing that you can adjust it with this press. You can also set custom settings, which I find really efficient and user-friendly. Another really cool feature is the auto mode. Once you press the drawer in, the machine automatically presses and releases on its own. I love this when I'm making multiple shirts. Speaking of the drawer, I love how far it slides out. I've heard others say they struggle making sweatshirts with this, but I have had no issues with it. This would make an amazing gift for yourself or a friend or family member who loves to craft. It's so user-friendly and it gives great results if you're looking for a side business. The Black Friday deal for this machine starts November 20th. I'll have the link and discount code ready for you down in the description. You can grab it as soon as it goes live. My next Htvront pick would be the Auto Tumbler Press. I recently received this and I absolutely love it. The machine is super beginner friendly, which makes it perfect if you're just getting into tumbler pressing. This machine makes it easy to press straight stainless steel and glass tumblers. What really impressed me with this machine is they have a special heat plate that's designed to make custom 40-ounce tumblers. These fit perfectly in the machine, so you can easily sublimate the top and the bottom of the tumbler. I also really like the custom settings on this machine. It has presets with the exact temperature, time, and pressure setting you need for whatever type of tumbler you're using. You don't need to adjust pressure knobs on your own like other tumbler presses. With this one, you just set the pressure on the machine and use the little mats to make sure everything is evenly pressed. It makes it so easy. And one of my favorite parts is the top cover completely wraps around the tumbler, so you don't have to rotate it halfway through pressing. This is such a great machine if you're wanting to make custom tumblers. It would make a great gift, especially with the holidays coming up. The discount code for this is valid through December 7th, and I'll link it down in my description box. My last Htvront item on the gift guide is the H17 phone case heat press. This is such a fun and unique press. I think it's a cool idea if anyone is wanting to start a small business. With this machine, you can make custom phone cases, but what's also neat is you can make other sublimation projects like badges, ornaments, keychains, coasters, things like that. One of my favorite features about this press is how the film completely wraps around the phone case inside the machine. That means you don't have to deal with trying to tape or wrap the sublimation paper around the edges yourself. Just like the other Htvront machines, it's really user-friendly and it would make an awesome gift for family or friends. The Black Friday code for this is also available through December 7th, and I will have that linked in my description. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I'll have all the discount codes and links in my description box. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video.